Guys, what's going on? Rusty here, Speedsville Performance. Today, we're gonna have a little fun doing some quality control and a little bit of endurance testing on these wheels. Right here to my right, got a TSW 18.9.5. Right here to my left, SSR. Same height and width, 18.9.5. First, we're gonna check some height management. Stay tuned. We got the TSW with us right here. We're gonna drop it off our sturdy 12-foot ladder. We're gonna see how this TSW takes the hits. So sorry. We got a little bit of curb rash, but nothing structurally too bad. No bending, no cracks. All right, guys, SSR wheel. So sorry to the truest out there. You know what we like to say, a bomb's away. SSR, taking the hits, but we got a lovely bend. But you know what? It's all how it falls.